Hey guys, welcome to Jash Outline. This video is about Poco F1 unboxing. So let's get started. Here is the Poco F1 box and I had ordered it in steel blue color. Packaging looks good and I got this from Flipkart. Backside of this box, it specifies main features of this box, which are Snapdragon 845 processor, liquid cooling, dual cameras and 4000 mAh battery. And this is 6GB RAM and 64GB ROM variant. So let's unbox this and check it out. Box contains Poco F1 mobile, charging brick, Type-C cable for charging, plastic case for mobile and pin for removal of SIM slot. Let's keep all things aside and check the device. So many are doubtful about this polycarbonate material which is backside of Poco. But the feel is not that bad in hands. And smudges are not visible on this polycarbonate material, so thumbs up for this. And steel blue color looks pretty good. The display of this device has 18:9 aspect ratio and Full HD plus resolution LCD panel. The viewing angles on this device are good and color reproduction is great too. Top we have the notch and selfie camera, which is of 20 megapixel, infrared sensor for face unlock and earpiece which acts as a speaker too. Left side of this device has a SIM card slot, right side power button and volume rockers. Top we have a headphone jack, secondary microphone, and bottom we have Type-C slot, speaker grill and primary microphone. Backside the device has dual cameras, which is the combination of 12 megapixel and 5 megapixel. The dual rear camera system has a feature of dual pixel autofocus and has 1.4 micrometer pixel sensor in it. So these comes in handy while you are taking low light shots. So these are the pics taken using this camera. Check this out. And I will do a detailed camera review on this device in few days. And I forgot to tell you that the face unlock on this device works pretty good in dark light conditions also. That's it guys for this video. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and let me know how is the video in the comment section below. See you guys in the next video. Until then, chill out and keep rocking.